Welcome to the Wiring Hub. Today we're going to be looking at our haul of Makita gear with just over 2,500 New Zealand dollars. Let's get started. Today's video is going. These are some of the recent additions to our collection of Makita gear. We've got a collection of Makita and HIKOKI. We recently went to the field days in New Zealand. They've got the field days event on and they have some great deals on and specials, so we couldn't help ourselves. We had to get a few additions to our collection, and these tools will be great for us because they end up using them on the job a lot. Some of the tools are more for the workshop, which we'll demonstrate in a bit. These tools obviously aren't just great for the electrical industry, but there's lots of different industries out there that would be interested in looking at these tools. So the first one we've got here is our Makita Multitool, and we do have a HIKOKI one, but we also wanted to add in a additional Makita Multitool. A little bit heavier than the HIKOKI that we have, but it still feels quite lightweight. It's got the star lock attachment here for the blades. The previous one that we had, the HIKOKI, it's got the other form of attachment. So it'll be interesting to see how the star lock goes. We haven't actually used this on the job yet. I thought it was quite interesting the way to unlock it for the blade. You open it like that and you take out the pin, then you add the blade onto it. This is quite a bit different to the HIKOKI one that we do have, but when it clicks down, it feels it's clipped in there quite well. So no, looking forward to using this one. Next we have the 40-watt brushless dust blower, and this will be quite good in the workshop. Now, sometimes we build up switchboards in the workshop, and these switchboards are metal switchboards. So when we drill a hole through it, you've got the little filings of metal around it. So it's good to blow those out so they don't rust. So that's what we'll be end up using it for. But obviously there's other things you can use them for. It does come with the different attachments as well. So these clip in and clip out. You pull this back, slide it off, and there you've got the little different attachments for it. You just clip it back on, clips on nicely, and it's powerful. This will be great to use in the workshop. Blow out those switchboards and get them all looking nice and clean. Something else we added to our collection is the compact 40-volt light. Now, this is quite interesting. Let me get it for you. So you get your battery, get your light, you slide it on, and there you've got your little light. Now, it's got this little protective cover that just slides off, and there you have it. This will be quite good just to light up a little space for us. I suppose if we're working in a dark area, we can just plug it in and leave it going for the day. I'm not sure how long it will last, but we'll soon find out. It also has a little USB attachment, so you can charge your phone and things. The little button there that turns it on and off. So it's quite a unique little light, really. So we'll look forward to using this one. And next we have our AWS 185mm circular saw. Now we're looking forward to trying this out. This is brand new. The blade has not been used at all. We're looking forward to giving this a go, and it's great for us because when we're on a building site or something and we need to cut some timber or whatever it may be, it's great for that quick cut. It's reasonable size, so it's quite easy to carry in the van. There's no leads or that running around, so it's quite straightforward. It's got the little adjustments like most of them do, where you can adjust the angles, the heights. It's got a max cutting depth of 66 millimeters, so that's all we really need it for us as electricians. But nope, looking forward to using this. One thing I did forget to mention is it does have this little edge here, so you can adjust it so you get your edges perfect. If you do want me to try this out and do a review just on this product or any of the products that we've talked about so far, just let me know in the comments below, and we'll give them a go. The next one we have here is our Makita light. Now this light is 1100 lumens. Very exciting to use. We have done one of the HIKOKI brands in the past, and they worked as great as well, but we thought we'd get a Makita edition as well. The link for that HIKOKI is just down below to watch the video on that one. But I think it's time that we give it a go and see how bright this thing actually is. So it's got this little battery attachments at the back there. It's got the battery at the back. Clip it together. And now let us see. Oh yeah, different features, different functions. So it's got the higher setting and the lower setting, which I think looking at the box it was 440 lumens. But no, this is nice and bright for us. The only problem is it's a bit heavy, but if it's a work light, you set it up for the day and take it away at night. So it's not something you could carry around in the ceiling or under the house. It's something you'd end up setting up in an area, leaving it there, and moving it around as you're working. So no, looking forward to this one. Now, the most expensive one for this haul was this one, the Makita 40 volt blower. Now, we just tried this before. The power in this thing is incredible. So it can literally blow your hair away. Literally blow your hair away. So just listen to the sound. This thing is very powerful. We're looking forward to trying this out. Now, it's not something we really use as electricians, but we have come across it where we'll drill, in New Zealand, the houses are made of wood, the framing is wood. So you'll drill out the house, you've got all these little cuttings of wood everywhere. So in the past, we've used a blower to blow them all out. So this will come in very handy when we do this. Other than that, there's not much more of a use than that for us as electricians, other than what we're really going to use it for is around the house when the leaves drop and you're blowing, cleaning out leaves. Now, it says on the box that the max air speed is 230 kilometers per hour. So that is incredible. The tools that are coming out nowadays are impressive. So no, very excited. If you'd like to see more products, more videos, or a specific type of product for us to review or look at, we can do an in-depth view of any of these and take them on the job for you. Just comment down below what you think, what you'd like to see. So we hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.